This demonstration shows how one man can set up the Pul-A-Pump machine by tipping it up on its handle, lining up the well mount tube with the top of the well seal, grabbing hold of the handles and pull the machine up into place atop of the well casing. This will automatically level and support the Pul-A-Pump machine. For those states where pitless adapters aren't required, there is an optional leg kit for this machine. By unlatching the 18-wheeler hood straps, you will be able to swing the belt drive assemblies apart for an unobstructed view into the well. Set up your T-handle pull bar by screwing it into the pitless adapter. I use a rig elevator as a slide hammer to help dislodge the pitless adapter. Then swing the belt drives against the pull bar and reconnect the hood straps. The push-button pendant switch plugs into the machine electric motor control box and has alligator clips to fasten directly to the pump power feed. To press the up button on the pendant switch, the T-handle and pitless adapter will pass easily through the belt drives. This system is suspended on 1-inch 200-pound coil pipe, so there is no need to remove the T-handle pull bar. With it still attached, start to coil the pipe around you. For with this system, it was necessary to coil the pipe off on one side of the well to avoid the shed. The pivoting design of the belt drives caused them to fall against each other, like a swing latch foot vise. Even without the hood straps attached, the coil pipe won't slide back down through the belt drives, which is a very nice safety feature. When working with coil pipe, there is no need to stabilize the pipe as it comes up out of the well. Just let it loop back and forth in a large circle off to the side of the Pul-A-Pump machine. The pivoting design of the belt drives enable the Pul-A-Pump to automatically pass wire guides, torque stops, and pumps, all while delivering superior grip against wet pipe. The more weight the machine is pulling, the greater the traction between the belts and the pipe. You can stop at any time to make adjustments to the pipe loops or to take a coffee break. The belt drive system has two worm geared boxes that will lock up and hold the pipe with a vise-like grip. No other clamping device is required. The pulling speed is 50 feet per minute. As you can see, this is a nice, comfortable working speed. You don't even work up a sweat. And all my customers are amazed at what this little machine can do. As you can see, the wire guides pass right through the belt drives. I'm going to just position one loop of pipe on top of another loop, over and over again until I get to the end, and see the pump coming up into the belt drives. The belts are made of neoprene rubber. They are 1 inch thick by 5 inches wide, with a diamond tread design center traction groove. They are ozone and temperature resistant and puncture proof, providing many years of trouble-free performance. Even after all the years I've been pulling out well pumps with the Pul-A-Pump machine, it's still amazing to me how easily the pipe comes up out of the well through the belt drives. I wouldn't even think of doing a job like this alone before the Pul-A-Pump came along. This job would have taken at least 4 men in a foot vise or a large pipe reel and 3 men to get it to the job site. Quick and easy, right? And now you have 500 feet of pipe out and on the ground. Make your repairs. Check the wire for rub marks. Install an extra pump check valve on the new pump. Use heat shrink wire splices. Replace any worn out wire guides and retape everything that isn't secure. Now set the new pump on top of the belt drives. Depress the down button on the pendant switch and start resetting the well pump system. Guide the system back into the belt drives by pushing the pipe up to form a loop above the Pul-A-Pump so that the pipe arcs straight down into the belt drives. I like to tape my wire guides securely to the drop pipe so they don't move, and also tape the wire every 3 feet on coil pipe systems. This does a great job in preventing wire damage. This system was 12 years old and I couldn't find one rub mark on the wire. Another nice feature of this machine is its setup versatility. The wheels are removable and the lower support handle swings up and out of the way, enabling the Pul-A-Pump machine to set flat to grade or on 4x4 wood planks over well pits. And with the well mount tube removed, the machine has a 7.5-inch clearance hole through the base plate, which enables the machine to pass a 6-inch sub or jet seal. I've been installing pumps since 1968 using my back, working with A-frame winches, hoist trucks, and wheel-type pump pullers. I've even used a well casing pipe guide with my truck as the puller. But it always took extra manpower, sometimes 3 or more, to do a pull job. I find the Pul-A-Pump to be the best of them all. It takes only one man in a pickup truck or a van, equipped with a set of ramps to roll the Pul-A-Pump off and on the truck tailgate. I have been using this machine since 1992 on all types of pump pull jobs, from semi-rigid and coil plastic to galvanized pipe, in all types of weather, and I haven't come across anything that's easier or faster. Take the T-handle pull bar and push it up so it swings into the belt drives. Then lower the pitless adapter down until it's just above the belts. Take a rag and wipe off the pitless adapter. Then rub on some O-ring lubricant. Now you are ready to pass the pitless adapter back down through the belt drives until it's near to its connector. Then set up the winch system by screwing the 3 poles into the winch plate and slip the assembly over the 3 guides located on the Pul-A-Pump machine base plate. Wrap the eye-hook cable around the T-bar and take up tension on the cable. Swing apart the belt drives. This gives you a good view down into the well, so you can guide and reset the pitless adapter. Then remove the eye-hook and cable from the T-bar and remove the winch from the machine. Also unscrew the T-bar and remove it. You can push the Pul-A-Pump off of the well casing by removing the 4 thumb screws that secure the well mount tube to the machine. Swing the belt drives to their upright position and secure the hood straps. Unpin and swing the support handle up and then push the machine forward, tipping it off of the well casing onto its front handle. Replace the well mount, and that's another one-man pull job completed.